Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Tricks Info. Today we are diving into a topic that every car enthusiast and performance drivers should know about: high performance tires. If you are looking to boost your car's handling, grip and overall driving experience, this video is for you. So let's hit the road and explore what makes these tires stand out from the rest of the league. First up, let's talk about the tread design. High performance treads often feature aggressive tire pattern. This can be directional, which means they are optimized to channel water away from the tread contact patch to reduce hydroplaning. Alternatively, you might find asymmetrical patterns that provides an excellent balance of wet and dry traction. The intricate grooves and large contact patches ensure that you get maximum grip where you're cornering or accelerating. Next, discuss about the rubber compounds. High performance tires use advanced high grip rubber compounds. Unlike standard tires, these compounds are formulated with softer materials that often offers superior traction and handling. However, keep in mind, while these tires improve grip and performance, they tend to wear out pretty fastly. The trade-off is always worth it. They have thicker sidewalls compared to the regular normal tires. This design reduces flex during high performances, providing better steering response and overall stability. Some models even feature reinforced material for added durability and support, ensuring your performance remains consistent under demanding conditions. One crucial factor to consider is the speed rating of the tires. High performance tires come with high speed ratings, indicating that the ability to safely handle higher speeds. This is crucial for those who push their cars to their limit. Now let's look at the sidewall construction. High performance tires typically have stiffer sidewalls compared to the regular tires. This design reduces flex during high speed maneuvers, providing better steering response and overall stability. Some models even feature reinforced materials for added durability and support, ensuring your performance remains consistent under demanding conditions. One crucial factor to consider is the speed rating of the tires. High performance tires comes with high speed rating, indicating the ability to safely handle higher speeds. This is crucial for those who push their cars to their limit. In summary, high performance tires are engineered with advanced tread designs, superior rubber compounds, and robust sidewall constructions to deliver exceptional grip, handling, and stability. They're perfect for sports cars, performance vehicles, or any driver who wants to experience enhanced driving dynamics. However, remember, they might not be ideal for all the weather conditions or off-road users due to their focus on high performance. That's it for today. Deep dive into the high performance tires. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for similar content on automotive technology and performance. If you have any questions or any experience about high performance tires, drop a comment below. We'll love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Kai Pai Tera.